In this video today, I'm going to share with you some of my top tips to boost the flavour in homemade vegan and plant-based food. Proper maple syrup. And I'm not talking about the pancake syrup that you have in diners where afterwards, if you're anything like me, you need to run around and get rid of that sugar rush that you've just got from it. I'm talking about proper maple syrup from trees. Now, this stuff is amazing. And not only do I use it on my porridge first thing in the morning with a banana and a fresh date, it's also really great in savoury dishes too. Now, it's kind of amber softness, adds a hint of sweetness, a little bit of warmth and richness to dishes too. Now, one way that I use this in my dishes is it goes so well with any type of squash. So if you're making a soup or a risotto, or even if you want to glaze some squash, it goes perfect with it. The second thing I do with it is actually putting it on a glaze. So I mix it together with some soy sauce, some garlic, maybe some oil and salt, and for example put it over some Brussels sprouts that you're roasting in the oven. And even if you are not a Brussels sprout fan, and to be honest with you, I'm not a massive fan of sprouts, but these I absolutely adore. Seriously, they are so good. And maple syrup really aids that and goes really well with the garlic too. And the third thing I like to do with it is to put it in some salad dressings. So I'm talking about salad dressings that are a little bit more robust, maybe for some warmed vegetables. So I make a broccoli salad and I often put this with some soy sauce and some other bits and pieces and make a dressing out of it. And it's a bit more robust, it's a bit more earthy, rich, and it just pairs perfectly with it as well. And check the back of the one that you're going to buy, but because it depends on the process, but most of them are naturally vegan. Obviously it comes from trees and they're naturally vegan.